My young niggas go 730. These fuck niggas, they tryna hurt me. The street shit, we ain't worried. Like, shout out my brother.
You go to Google and you go to Utorrent. This Utorrent, you just go straight on here on the first one. I have an IMAC, so I'm gonna download from here. You can do the same for Windows. Alright, right here is download. I already have it. So I'm gonna go to my folder. We'll find this. Right here. Now, once your download, there's some peak. When it finishes, you just go here, find it in your downloads. See on the downloads, and it should be right here. Today, to the date. This is where you downloaded your file. All right. Now you want to open it up on here. Alright, welcome to WRLD channel. I ain't gonna read all this. I just read all this. Alright, on install. So you gotta wait for it. I got the password. Alright. It's right in the file. So this is done. You can open up this app. Alright, after this is finished, you can close. Open it up right here. Right here. Once you got this, this page right here. You go here on Google. Alright, once you got Google search, type in YFY. Here you go right here. This is where you go to get 3 movies. Click on that, the first one. No, they're back out of this one. Back out. We're gonna go here. It's the right page. Nope. Same website. Hold on, yo. YIFY 20 are already down. I'll leave a link down below in the description to the website that you need to go to. This is the website right here. Now, this is where you're gonna start off at. YFY Utorrent. And once you they got a whole bunch of movies you can just download. They got this, they got Bloodshot, they got Bird of Prey, they got Sonic. I'm gonna download Bad Boy. I've been waiting to see this, so I'm gonna download Bad Boys. And do what you trick on right here. Always trick on this download magnet. Click on it again. Click on download magnet, and it should. Double click on that. Oh yeah, here you go right here. You just go back over to the page, use WRLD, and it should show right here. You just add, and boom, you download it. Now down here, it'll go to it downloaded. It'll go to your computer file. Once that done downloaded, go to show photo, and it should be in your photo. Once it's done downloading all the way, it should be right here in photos. So you just go find there, go to your downloads, bad boy photo right there, boom. Waiting for this shit to download like a watch. Yep, it's done downloading. So once you got this downloaded, once it's done, you can watch it. This one is done downloading and ready to be viewed. You can always open this downloading from here if you need to. Alright, so you just click on this show photo. Now, downloads where bad boy is gonna be. Once you download it, you can go here, boom, click on that, watch it play. Look at that. Look how beautiful it looks. All y'all get it. Well, that's how y'all download a movie, y'all. We're gonna grab this video file right here. We downloaded dashboards, and we're gonna take this and grab it, and we're gonna go down to devices, and this is my flash drive, no name, so we're gonna copy this onto the flash drive, and then we're gonna go over to my smart stream TV, and once this is done copying it over to my flash drive, we're gonna go to the smart TV, and I'm gonna play it on the smart TV for y'all. Now I will pause the video and skip through this. Okay, the flash drive is into the smart stream TV. Then go to input, go over to the flash drive, USB port right here. Click on it, okay. Here we go. And now we're gonna find bad boy photo file right here. Bad boys. And then click. We're gonna play. That's how you download movies. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm iCrazyZayTv. I'm out this bitch. Peace.